So hello everyone. We have again new farm animals. I bring them finally. I said 1-2 videos before that I will bring new farm animals. It's 3 of them. They run now like crazy. They go to the goats because they are something like goats. I will show you in 1 minute. You have seen it in the thumbnail. It is 3 little sheep, 3 little lambs. So just a moment to turn the camera so that I can show you. Now it's close. There they are. 3 little lambs. 2 white ones and black, and 1 black one. Just if I can zoom in. I don't need to go so close to them. There they are. The black one and the black and this one here behind are males. In the front it's the female with a brown face. Just a moment. There they are. You can see this is a male, the black one. This is the female, and this a male again. So zoom out, and you know our 2 goats, the brown one is the male and the white one is the female. How you see in the last video, I asked if you want to name them. Till now I don't have names, so just want to turn back in the camera. So how you see 3 new farm animals at the farm. 3 little sheep. They're very funny. They are still afraid of me. Yesterday I pet them in the enclosure what we have them. Now they're on the outside, sit together with the goats and have a nice day. It's a nice day. They run all day around, eat grass, and somebody's collecting olives close by because I hear voices. So I will keep it short for this video. And yeah, 3 new farm animals. If you want to name them, it's the black one, how I say it's a male, another white one male, and we have a female who is white, black feet like black boots, and brown face. So I don't have some updates for something else. The zucchini harvest start, a lot of them. We don't have much time, so that's why I keep it short for this time. I go back in and continue harvest the zucchinis. So see you in the next video. I will make in a couple of days another one so that I can show you the goats and the sheep better, because today I don't have much time. And yeah, that's it. See you in the next video. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a nice comment below for maybe a name for the new sheep and for the goats if you want. So see you, have a nice day, and stay healthy.